Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of a pen that I received from eBay. You can see here this global, how they call it? Global e-commerce, so on. Okay, so this is something that I received from the United Kingdom, and this is a pen that is strategically important for something that I want to do. So, before showing you what is inside, I want to ask you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you didn't already and if you find the content that I make useful. So, let's not waste any more time and open it with my faithful Victorinox knife. And let me show you the pen that is inside. I'm not going to take a real care with this because I just want to see what is inside. And here we have a box, and we do this. Can we open it yet? No. You have more tape there, more tape there. Okay, I think it's done, and I want to show you and to see myself what is inside, to see if now I am luckier than I was before. So I'll take this out. Lots of bubble wrap. I'm quite anxious to take a look at it because on eBay, you always see photos but you don't see. Sometimes it's hard to predict what you're really going to have, and it is here. I think you may know what this is. This is a Parker Maxima Duofold. It's written there. I think it's still visible. It's not very sharp, but still visible. It is a Burgundy pen. I don't love Burgundy pens at all. I decided to start removing them from my collection, but I bought this one because it is supposed to have a normal, let's call it like this way, a regular nib. And for the feel it looks like it is, because I have one there that I bought, which is a black one and that has a stub nib, and I don't really like stub nibs, so I got this one to remove the nib and put in that. They told it had a little bit of oxidation there, and it has, but it is as described. So nice pen with a beautiful nib, as the Maxima is. And what I have to do now is try to remove this nib and put inside the other pen. However, the trouble that I have is that I already tried to start removing the other nib and I couldn't. It is very, very tight. So let's see if I will be able to exchange the nibs or if I'll have to keep a Burgundy pen. I'm not sure. I really didn't want to keep a Burgundy pen. I would prefer to have the black one, but I'll have to see. If I can't remove the nib, I'll have to stay with this one or maybe sell both and then try to buy a good, let's call it like that, black one. We'll see. I will keep you posted of how this goes. So this is all for today. Just a short video to show you the unboxing of another beautiful Parker Maxima Duofold from the European Duofolds, from the British Duofold line. Beautiful pen with this very classic shape, and it feels really nice in the hand. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye.